gathered here this morning to condemn police harassment against journalists while at work. It's unfortunate that recently we've been having lots of cases of individuals and even police officers attacking journalists while at their duty. Recent case, it was reported on 12th, that's in January 12th, by one of our own, Robert Maina. She's a reporter with Citizen Radio who was attacked at Egerton University while doing a follow-up of a story about a demo that was staged by a section of the students at the school. But unfortunately, the officers, they knew he was a journalist working with one of the session Citizen. He was a journalist working with Citizen, but they locked this journalist, spoiled his record, and they've not taken action, despite the incident having been reported at Njoro Police Station with a no-B number having been given to these journalists. And today we want action to be taken against this officer. This officer was involved. We've been asking the County Police Commander, Mr. Stephen Matu, to take action, to give us even a report about how far they've gone with this kind of investigation. But so far, 3 weeks down the line, there is no action that has been taken. Even this police officer, who is allegedly an administration police officer, is still at work, and even he has not been questioned about what transpired. And today we are going to petition the County Police Commander, Stephen Matu, to give us more report on this matter. It's not the first case that is happening. Recently we had Peter Kimani. He was also attacked while on line of duty at one covering at the court. No action has ever been taken. This suspect who allegedly harassed Kimani, nobody has been arrested. And even as much as we've been doing a follow-up with the police, they've not given us a response on this. Last year, we also had one of the reporters, the radio reporters, Omurunga. He was also harassed, locked in a police station at Bombeni, but no action has been taken against these at least 3 cases that have been reported in the recent past. And today, we are telling the police officers plus the members of the public that freedom of, there is that article 34, that 35 that talks about the freedom of accessing information. Our work is collecting information and telling the public on what's happening.